Yo, I was a fiend before I became a teen. I melted microphones instead of cones of ice cream. Music orientated, so when hip-hop was originated, fitted like pieces of puzzle, complicated. So I grabbed the mic and try to say this, y'all. They try to take it and say that I'm too small. Cool, cause I don't get upset. I kick a hole in the speaker, put a plug, then I check. Back to the lab without a mic to grab. So then I add all the rhymes I had, one after another one. Then I make another one to test the opposite to the acid the brother's done. I get a craving like a fiend for nicotine, but I don't need a cigarette. Know what I mean? I'm raging, ripping up the staging. Don't it sound amazing? Cause every rhyme is made in order, cause it's sorta an addiction. My time, better listen. E-F-F-E-C-T, a smooth operator operating correctly. 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 But back to the problem, I gotta have it, you can't solve it. You silly rabbit, the prescription is a hypertone. That's thorough and I feel for a microphone like heroin. Soon as the bass kicks, I need a fix. Give me a stage and a mic and a mix, and I can put you in the mood. Or is it a state of unawareness? Beware, it's the reanimator, a menace to a microphone, a lethal weapon and assassinator. If the people ain't stepping, see a part of me that you never seen when I'm feeling for a microphone. Cause I take it to the maximum, I can't relax, see I'm hype as a hypochondriac. Cause the rap we want, hell of an antidote, something you can't smoke. More than dope, you try to move away but you can't, you're broke. More than cracked up, musical backed up. For those that act up, need to be more than smacked up. E-F-F-E-C-T, a smooth operator operating correctly. And E-F-F-E-C-T, a smooth operator operating correctly. And E-F-F-E-C-T, a smooth operator operating correctly. And E-F-F-E-C-T, a smooth operator operating correctly. 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 Orientated, so when hip-hop was originated, it fitted like pieces of puzzles, complicated. Music orientated, so when hip-hop was originated, it fitted like pieces of puzzles, complicated. Music orientated, so when hip-hop was originated, it fitted like pieces of puzzles, complicated. Music orientated, so when hip-hop was originated, it fitted like pieces of puzzles, complicated. Music orientated, so when hip-hop was originated, it fitted like pieces of puzzles.